Oh, we got a hit! We got a hit! What the fuck? A and D? What? Hate to break it to you, Harp, but the carp aren't going to be interested in that. Hey, Mike! I don't need fishing advice from you little shit! God, he's such a pussy. Watch, I won't catch a carp right now. Say that, Mike. Watch this. Lock in. Everybody lock in. I'm catching a carp right now. Come on, bite, bite. Bite, bite, bite. Mike is... Got him. Ha ha ha! What'd you say? Oh, smallmouth bass. Chad, is it frowned upon to keep a bass? Do y'all know?